Welcome standard 9. So, instead of talking a lot, we will immediately start the topics. Otherwise, we will be just wasting the time. So, first lesson, the sets that we are going to start. Lesson number 1, Algebra, Maths 1. Maths 1. Lesson 1. Sets. So this now the 9th standard series will go on continually till the end of the year. All the lessons, Maths 1, Maths 2 will be covered under this, and we will try to solve maximum of the sums. Especially my view regarding this would be just go on solving the most difficult questions. First of all, build up the fundamentals and then go for the difficult questions where the student is struggling. And after that, you can do the all remaining sums. So, in between some homework will be also given for your practice. So, okay, let us start. Sets. What is meant by sets? Set is a collection of things, objects, which are well defined. Well defined, this is very important word, well defined. Say suppose I want to make a set of the students of standard 9 in your class, in your school. So you can definitely write all the names of standard 9. Whether it is in your school, whether it is in Maharashtra, whether it is in India, whether it is in all over the world, that you can write, because they are the precise things. They are well defined. The student of standard 9. Okay. Now, if I ask you, the rich man in your society, the set of the rich people in your society, is it really defined well, or clever students in your class? This is not a well defined set. You will say that the teachers is saying, sir, you are scholar, sir, you are very intelligent, like that. But what is meant by intelligence? Some of the child may be very good in mathematics. So very good in mathematics means what? How much mark he should get, then we will call him as very good. So it is not so. Intelligent personality, intelligent person is not defined on the one criteria, so that is also not well defined set. If suppose I say the number of the students in your class who has secured more than 60 marks in mathematics, yes, that is a well defined set. So set is the collection of the things which are well defined. Rich people is not a set, it cannot be a set. If suppose in a very poor section, if you go with a car, they will call you, oh, rich person. But if the same person goes to the millionaires, Dhirubhai Ambani, Tatas, Birlas, etc., in front of them he will be called as the poor. For the same person, somebody is saying he is rich and some people are saying that he is poor. So this is also not a well defined set. So richness is not a well defined set. This way the set we can call. Now what we have to learn in this is the listing method, then the rule method, how to write that, then subset, intersection of the sets, union of the sets, all these things we have to learn. Now first of all we will talk about what is meant by listing method. Listing method means we are writing the list of the atoms inside the set. First of all, how to write the set. Set is written in the form A equal to curly bracket. Say suppose I am writing the natural numbers till 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the set of the natural numbers till 10. Now the elements are well defined. It is a set. This is called as the listing method. Or roster form. Another way of writing the same set, A equal to x oblique x and x belongs to n. This is called as the belongs to. Belongs to natural number where x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 11. X is greater than or equal to 1 means 1 we will take, but less than 11. Less than 11 means up to 10 I can take, 11 I cannot take. If you want to write in the different way also, this way also you can write, instead of writing only less than or equal to 10, this way also you can write. This is the rule method. Or set builder form. This way, these are the two ways of writing a set. Now, one mark question is also asked on the thing, read this set. How you will read this set? How to read this set? Verbal form. A is a set of all x such that then the remaining thing, x belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to x less than, oh here comma is not there, less than 11, this way. So how to remember? Here I will say A. For this I will say is. For this I will say a set. And for this of all x. Of all. And this is x. A is a set of all x such that. So here I will say of all x, and for this you will say such that. Make it a correction. Of all x, and for this oblique you will say such that. So hope that you have understood this. Now we'll move further. Instead of wasting a time in the small topics, we'll move further. Some very basic operations first of all we will see in the introduction part, and then we will go. Suppose number 1, to find A union B. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. And I have to unite them. Therefore, A union B equal to, what to do is, see the common in this. This is common, make the underline. 4 is common, make the underline. In the second set, wherever you have made the underline in the second set or in the first, from this set you don't take them. Remaining things you take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. This is called as the A union B. This is called as union. Number 2, to find A intersection B. This is called as intersection. Intersection is common. Union is all together. Only the number of the elements should not be double. So, therefore, A intersection B is equal. Now, I will write the set A first. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection. B means 2, 4, 6, 8. Now intersection is the common. What is common? Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. Then 4 is there. 4 is there. So these two elements are common. So this is the intersection 2, 4. Okay. Yeah, understood this. Now to find A minus B. What are the operations I am teaching you in a very basic things? Third, to find A minus B. A minus B means what? A minus B is equal to set A 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set A. Minus set B is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. That is equal to whatever we are subtracting, cut the whole thing. Cancel. Whatever the common here are there, cut them also. First thing is, cut the whole set, second set. Whichever we want to subtract, cut it. And the common elements in this, that also cut. So, A minus B is equal to 1, 3. So, similarly you can do that B minus A. Say suppose to find B minus A, I will have written B here minus A here, and A will be cancelled and common element will be also cancelled from here. So remember this. Now another is complement. Complement is found from the universal set. Universal, what is that universal set? The bigger set of our consideration. The bigger set of our consideration is called as the universal set. If U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. U is the universal set. A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Find A complement. This is also written as A complement this way. How to find A complement? A complement is equal to U minus A. This is the formula. Universal set minus that set. That is equal to, what is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is U. Minus A. What is A? 2, 4, 6, 8. How to subtract? Cancel the whole set. Second set totally cancel. Now the common elements 2 common, 4 common, 6 common, 8 common. That is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Now from this, if suppose I found A complement union A, what I will get? We will check. A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Union A is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is A. A complement union A. That is equal to, what is my union? Write all the elements and whichever are double, you write only once. Now, nothing is common, you check it. In the complement of 8, only the remaining elements are found. Remaining elements means what? If I am finding A complement, then the whole A set is going to cancel, and whichever the remaining elements are coming, and if I join them together, what I will get is the universal set. See, now there is nothing common. Is there anything common? No. So write all of them. 1, this 2, 3, this 4, 5, this 6, 7, then this 8, and here 9, 10. Therefore, one very important property, A complement union A is always the universal set U. Find this, note this, it is always. Now this is a law. For 1 mark questions or for multiple choice questions, such questions are definitely asked. Hope that you have understood this much topic. We will stop here and we will then find out the exercise solutions.